Hello, welcome to this YouTube channel, and right here I'll be showing you how to design a logo, a simple but a world class logo using your smartphone. So stick with me while I walk you through this tutorial step by step how to create a logo with your smartphone. So let us get started. This is the application we'll be using. It's called Pixel Lab. Pixel Lab is available for all Android users for free on Google Play Store. So if you go to Google Play Store and you search for Pixel Lab, you'll find it there. Very easy to download. It doesn't take you up to 20 seconds to download the app. So we'll get started now. Let us click on the app to open it. So once you open Pixel Lab, if this is the first time you're using Pixel Lab, this is exactly what you would see once you are opening it for the very first time. This is what you see. So let us get started with this video. So the first thing I want to do is to change the background to white, a white background, and to do that we have to come to this icon right here and then click on color and change the color to white. Now the background is white. It's ready for us to design our logo. Now I'm going to be designing a very simple logo using this using on this tutorial, so you understand it's a very simple logo. So the very first thing I want to do is to add a shape, a square. Click on this. Then I want to change the color of this square shape to let me say to purple. Okay, I think I like this. So I want to reduce the size of the shape. Now what I'm about to do in this video is a little bit tricky, but that's the idea of being able to make a design with your smartphone. You have to be you're able to manipulate the simple tools you have on the smartphone. That's the whole idea. So that is exactly what I want to do. So what I'm about to do, I don't think you ever see this anywhere. I don't think someone can ever think of this. This is my own trick, my own style to create a simple logo. So just watch me while I do this. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to um create another shape and another shape, and then you will see what we arrive at. So I'm going to copy this shape, that is duplicate it. I'm going to duplicate this shape. You can see I just duplicated it. And now I know what I'm doing now might seem a little bit confusing, especially when it's your first time using this application, Pixel Lab. This is why I'm going to create another video on how to use Pixel Lab on your smartphone, so you can understand how to use all the tools and everything. So when I'm making tutorials like this, you won't get confused. So watch out for that video. Check the channel. I think you would see it. I have uploaded the video already. You will know how to use Pixel Lab on your smartphone. So let us proceed. So what I'm going to do is take this shape and put it over this particular shape, and then I'll change the color to white. Yeah, that's simple. Then I'll copy this shape again, that is duplicated, put it over the white shape and change the color to purple. So there's something I'm trying to create right here. You're going to see it by the time we're done. I'm going to duplicate the shape again. Yeah. Then I'll change it to color white, and then I'll duplicate the shape, I think, for yeah, and then just I'm sure you get what I'm trying to do. Okay, for the last time I'll duplicate the shape and then add this, change the color to white. Okay, as you can see, we are making progress. You can see what I'm just trying to create now, like like an arrow shooting up. That's what I'm trying to create. So this is not all. Let us um, do something to make sure that our logo pops and stands out. So to do that, we'll click on the purple shape, then come to this option that says emboss. Click on emboss, enabled. Now what this option does is it makes your design to pop up. It gives it this 3D effect, so it doesn't feel ordinary. It makes it look, it gives it this 3D effect that makes it stand out. So that's what this option does. So I'm gonna adjust some of this, adjust some of this, gonna adjust this. Yeah, I think we're good to go. So you can see this particular shape is different from the other one. So let's click on this and repeat the same process on all the purple shapes. um, Make sure as you listen to what I'm saying, you're watching my fingers. Whatever I do, just follow me closely so you don't get lost. Okay, so you can see we are almost done with our design. Now we just need to add our text. That is basically the name of the company or the brand we're actually designing. So let's say mm, um let's just say, okay, what name are we going to use? Okay, let me think of something real quick. Let's just say Goodwill Consulting. Goodwill Consulting. Now, so we change this text to color purple and change the font to this. Then you can see our design is almost ready, and you can see how everything is coming together. But let us do one more thing. Let us um, embed this text, emboss it rather. So the same thing we did for the shape, that's what we're doing on this text, to make sure that the text stands out. It pops up and looks and has this kind of 3D effect. That's why I'm doing all this, so you can see how beautiful this looks already. Very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. I think I love this. I don't know if you do, but I love this. This is it. So let us add like a tagline. Let us say successful businesses. So I'm just adding a tagline basically to make my design complete and look professional. So I'll change the color. I'll change the font to this. And then I'll reduce the size. It's a tagline, so the size has to be pretty small. Okay, so you can see our logo is ready, and this looks beautiful. This looks professional. I don't know what you think, but for a smartphone to do this, I think it's pretty cool. And now this is just one aspect of how to make a simple logo. There are so many other things you could do while making a logo. You understand? There's so many other tricks, so many other tricks you could try. This is just one simple trick. For instance, you could actually download a an element like an icon and use it to make your logo. That is why I'll make other designs on how to design logo. This is not the only design I would make on how to design logo. I'll make so many other um, tutorial videos. Rather, I'll make so many other tutorial videos on how to design logo, so you get it completely. So that's it. So let us try to change the color. Let me say I want to use green. Yes. So let's see how this turns out. Green. green, green. Green. So you can see this is, I think this is beautiful and it's fair. So this is how to make a simple logo with your smartphone. This is just one of the tricks, one of the angles to it. You could try something else, and watch out for more videos I'll be dropping on how to design different types of logos, so you understand the process completely. So thank you for watching this video, and if you got value, please, you just have one thing to do: subscribe. Please subscribe. That's the only way you can support this channel. As we give you value, the least you could do is subscribe, like this video, drop a comment, and share if you want to. God bless you. I'll see you in my next tutorial.